Merong isang Pinoy na boksingero na napakatindi ng kamao. Gamit ang kamaong ito, napaayaw at napasuko niya ang isang veterano at kinatatakutang boksingero ng bansang Mexico.
The corner's gonna have to take a good look at that eye and just take a good look at that fighter because this is Zepeda throw. Oh, that is a knockout. The fight has been stopped.
Nagkabitak-bitak talaga ang pagmumukha ng kalaban at napahanga talaga ang mga Amerikano, lalo na si Bob Arum dahil sa husay ng ating kababayan. Ito yung Pinoy na boksingero na nagpaiyak sa libu-libong Meksikano dahil sa pagkatalo ng kanilang mahusay na boksingero. Subscribe. Si Mark Jason Meligan ay tubong Bacolod na lumaki sa magandang bayan ng Cebu City. Hinasa ng Maalamat na Ala Promotion. Ito yung number 1 prospect noon sa welterweight division. Dahil kahit na ito ay may kaliitan, napakalakas naman po ng kamao nito, mga kaibigan. Mahigit 10 beses po itong lumaban sa Amerika. Tinalo niya ang mahuhusay na Amerikano at Meksikanong nakalaban niya. Dahil dito, napahanga talaga ang mga Amerikano, lalo na ang sikat na promoter na si Bob Arum, nang paiyakin niya ang libu-libong Meksikano na nanunood ng laban sa venue, nang talunin at pabagsakin niya ang veterano at maalamat na Meksikano. Araw ng Sabado, August 15, taong 2009, sa Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas, Nevada, United States of America, dumayo ang ating boksingero na si Mark Meligan para kalabanin ang nakakatakot na pambato ng Mexico na boksingero nila. Si Ernesto Zepeda ay isang elite at veteranong boksingero. Mahigit 50 laban na ang pinagdaanan nito. Sa kanyang record na 39 na panalo, 34 dito, ang mga kalaban ay natulog sa ibabaw ng lona at 4 na draw. Wala pa po sa kalahati ang record ng ating kababayan na meron lamang 15 panalo, 10 dito ay galing sa knockout at 1 talo. Kaya naman sa pustahan at sa mga mata ng hurado, si Mark Meligan ay dihadong-dihado. Sa makatuwid, underdog po talaga sa mata ng mga tao ang ating pambato. Round number 1, seryoso po talaga ang mukha ng Meksikano. Halatang hindi ito nagbibiro. Dumagdag pa po na mas malaki at mas matangkad ito sa ating pambato. Tansyahan agad ng galaw, lakas at bilis ang dalawang boksingero. Puro power shot naman agad ang mga kamao na pinapakawalan ng mga ito. Pero mukhang nakakalamang na kaagad dito ang ating pambato.
Lost a very close 8-round decision.
Cinco de Mayo with a Filipino and a British guy.
Logic there.
Is there logic there? Right, with the Spanish heritage with the Filipino?
And we'll give them your email address to send you all the letters.
Milligan having a lot of power, 11, not a
right-left combinations.
and strong looking legs.
Very
He's got to set down his punches more.
I think he seems like he's a type of fighter that wants to sit down.
Right left hand's been a good weapon for him so far in this fight. Zepeda pressing the action but getting countered a bit. There is that left we referenced, and boy, it moved Zepeda back and punctuates a very good first round for Mark Meligan.
Sa round number 2, naging agresibo agad ang veteranong Meksikano. Halatang gusto nitong makabawi sa ating pambato. Pero matindi talaga ang kamao ng Pinoy. Grabe ang power shot na patama nito na sumasapol sa veteranong Meksikano.
Internationally, it is just exploded all over the world. I think we're ready to embrace, Brian Valoria, IBF Junior Flyweight Champ, is providing his expertise. I'm Al Bernstein, and we are delighted you joined us. So far, it's been a fun night of boxing, and here, Zepeda in round 2 has kind of found himself a place to work on the
Be careful not to get too careless or too predictable with throwing that right-left combination. I mean, he's been throwing it with authority, but
and there on the outside, Zepeda.
And Al, these types of fights are very important for a fighter like Meligan. Fighting against a veteran eventually, if they want to make the big money, he has to step it up in competition and face some dangerous fighters who you really have to have it all together.
Round 2 passes into the night, and it had some action in it, just like round 1.
Round number 3, ayaw pa rin magpatalo ng Meksikano. Sugod pa rin ito ng sugod sa ating pambato. Pero lagi lang itong nasasapul ng kamao ng Pilipinong boksingero.
Takes 2 rounds, and that's uppercut by Milligan gets in.
That sort of caught him in the chin/throat. That doesn't end up. Zepeda, yeah, having an intense look on his face, coming here to fight, being the aggressor.
Milligan's corner was telling Milligan to work a little bit more on the body and not get too careless with those right-left combinations.
23-year-old who is on the cusp of contention, perhaps.
Nice body shot.
Milligan listens to his corner and goes down to the body.
Yeah, and against a 32-year-old.
And Neil, and not, I know.
80s and U20s now.
Oh my goodness. All right.
Halos maging punching bag na ang pagmumukha ng Meksikano. Kaya naghihiyawan ng mga Pinoy na nanonood ng laban sa venue.
And to think I was so nice and calling your fight. Halfway.
But speaking of bodies,
Oh, great left hand by Milligan, and that hurts Zepeda. His fight has changed drastically.
Here Milligan pointing it out.
Milligan staying calm and using smart, effective punches.
Very good
Crazy.
point.
This fight started his career again after that loss against Han.
Sa round number 4, dito natatapusin ni Mike Milligan ang paghihirap ng kalaban. Puro accurate na power shot na ang papakawalan ng ating kababayan na talaga namang nagpapunit-punit sa pagbumukha ng kalaban.
Now the tide in this fight is turned, and Milligan using those straight left hands has really altered this fight. Big left again by Milligan.
Stuns Zepeda, puts off the win. Just wants to expose it even more.
There's a
Jab, with his left jab, left hooks, right.
And now a complete arsenal of punches as he throws the hooks, the jabs, the straight left hands, and Zepeda's in some deep water here.
And you mentioned now it's not in the
Big left legs too.
Oh my! Can Zepeda withstand much more of this, either in this round or even to come out for round 5?
the corner's gonna
Isang napakalakas na kaliwa ang ginamit ng Pinoy na ating kababayan na brutal na tumapos sa veteranong Mexicano na kanyang nakalaban.
take a good look at that eye and just take a good look at that fighter because this is
I haven't seen Zepeda throw.
oh, that is a knockout.
Nagkapunit-punit ang pagmumukha nito sa lubha ng pinsala na kanyang natamo. At iyak ng iyak naman ang mga Meksikano na nanunood sa venue. Napaakyat naman agad sa ibabaw ng lona si Lolo Babarom at halata talagang napabilib siya ng ating kababayan sa galing na pinakita nito kontra sa Mexicanong kalaban. Si Mike Jason Milligan ay isa ring di-kalibring Pinoy na boksingero na minsang nag-angat sa karangalan at bandila ng mga Pilipino. Mahalin mo ang iyong kapwa katulad ng pagmamahal mo sa iyong sarili at mahalin mo ang Diyos ng higit sa iyong sarili. Amen.